They were kind enough to give me a minute to change my top. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. Okay, I got a pretty print, I got feminine details, I got luxurious brushed liquid knit, which feels like a cloud, like the petals of a rose. And guess what? I have something that's customer top rated also, which is incredible. And I have a clearance sale price of under $35. Are you kidding me? 3 easy payments of $11.66. You're saving $18. Again, say it with me, there's no reorder. So once your size and color sells out, it is not coming back. I know, Alan was saying it with me. Thank you very much. I have 4 color choices for you here, 3 right in studio. This one is going to be your teal slate. So not just teal, that's the background, but look at all those gorgeous colors. And it's almost like a watercolor painting that Susan has given us. All of her prints are original designs exclusive to her collection at QVC. And you're all loving it because you all went back to QVC.com and shared how much you love it. Thank you for the customer top rating. That means the world to all of us. So that is your teal slate. I have it for you in what we are calling pine spice. So all of those coppers, but there's blues in there. There are the neutral tones that pop off of that beautiful green pine background. Thank you for the look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. This is the color I'm wearing. We're calling it berry bronze. And that has more of those copper shades on that berry background. There's some pink in there too. I'm a pink girl. So how to wear this one. I'm a pink girl. It's my signature color. Well, I do like blue also, Alan, because of my eyes, but I do love pink. It's so girly. Okay. And that's not because of my eyes, because they are not pink, thankfully. Then there's one more choice on QVC.com. Last call in plum burgundy, couple dozen, and then it goes away. Extra, extra small to 5X right now. If you especially love that color, make sure you're checking out of your cart. The length is 25.5 to 31.5 inches. It's brushed liquid knit. It's still liquid knit. It's machine wash, tumble dry, but it has this brushed hand. So it's still stretchy. It's still fluid and drapey. That's why it's called liquid knit, because it just flows. It's still not going to grab anywhere. It still just follows the lines of your body without grabbing. I'm in my normal size. I'm 5'7". It's a little bit more of a top length too. So if you're more petite, this is still going to work for you. My hip bone right here, you can see it gives coverage in the back as well over the rear without, and I got some rear back here and it's not sticking to that at all. And then you don't worry about colors fading. You don't worry about the care, but this brushed liquid knit, it gives it, like I said, the petals of a rose, just like a softly suede feel, and that is inside as well as outside. Not like super heavy, but it does have a little bit more, I'll say, coziness to it than traditional liquid knit, which is very like a silky feeling to it. This is more brushed, but still, I mean, just that gorgeous fabric. And then the silhouette. So I just pulled this over my head nice and easy. There's this mock neckline, stretches nice and wide to pull over the head, settles into the right spot. So it gives you some neck coverage without like choking up here, and it's not drooping or sagging. I still got all my lashes and stuff on, and I just changed really quick here in the studio. And then there's this little bit of lift at the shoulder, and it just gives you this gorgeous feminine silhouette. I mean, these are all the reasons you all at home loved it. Gave it a customer top rating. If you've never tried anything from Susan, please get something customer top rated, because you are not the guinea pig. I'm taking this off to show you how Susan does that little lift at the shoulder. It is with this little fabric fan on the inside. So not like a shoulder pad, not that I have anything against that, because I grew up in the 80s and we loved ourselves some shoulder pads, but this is just giving you that little bit of lift on the inside. It's sewn right into the seam. You don't feel it. You don't even know it's there. But I think it's just such genius construction, and Susan is always working to bring new fabrics to the collection, like this brushed liquid knit. This brushed feeling just takes liquid knit to the next level. She's always working to bring us unusual prints. And when you see a print like this at a clearance sale price, that is not going to be reordered. So it's limited edition wearable art, and you're getting that print all the way around, front as well as back. We have long sleeves, but you can zhuzh them. I'm a zhuzher and I start to freak out if I can't zhuzh sleeves. So it's nice to be able to zhuzh those. They will stay wherever you place them. All of the shades of color you see in this print, every time you see a new shade of a color, cha-ching, that costs more money, because, and I've actually been to Susan's studio in New York many times. And every time they decide on a print, then they decide on the color palette, making sure that there's enough ground showing through to really set off that print in this case. All of the different shades of color, those are decisions that have to be made. They make up these big cards and they put out, 8, 10 colors, whatever it is, to make sure they all work harmoniously and beautifully in an original work of art. And then, of course, you're getting this incredible silhouette. Like, I think the fabric alone worth the price of admission. The fact that it's another one-time investment you'll never have to replace, it's not going to look ratty or stained or anything like that, also worth the price of admission. But then you're getting these feminine details, a little bit of neck coverage, beautiful lift at the shoulder with that little bit of ruching and just that little bit of a fabric fan inside, but then all of the comfort and stretch. And if you're someone who tends to run hot, it's not a sweater. It's not a big oversized sweater. It's still very lightweight, just a little bit more substance than traditional liquid knit, and all of this great comfort. Customer top rated and a clearance sale price on top of a clearance price. This one is your teal slate. I have it for you in pine spice. Here's the one I'm wearing called your berry bronze. And your final choice, very, very limited in that plum burgundy. A 667482 as your item number, and 1166 brings it home on Easy Pay.